This is the elevator here at the Macy store at Millcreek Mall in Erie, Pennsylvania. And look what we have here. That's right, a completely original 70s Lexan. Otis. Book 2. Ooh, the indicator works. Let's go back down to 1. Doors kind of slam a little bit. Let's get a cab view. Beautiful elevator. Absolutely beautiful. This is exactly what Macy's at Montgomery Mall used to look like until it got modernized. Okay, we're going on one more ride. The button does light up. Watch the button go out this time. Oh, I missed the classic leveling. Have to take another ride. See, this is where the phone used to be. See, they took it out and put that in. That's the phone right there. Now I'll take one more ride so we can catch the classic leveling. That is awesome. Wow, awesome. And watch this. It's got the old bumpers. This is awesome. Now watch the classic leveling one more time. Here we are at 1. Wow. Absolutely amazing. And that's it.